We could never believe that he could lose from his own constituency, but it did. I was the person who brought his father into Congress party.
You know, it also smacks of a larger problem with the Congress.
Yeah.
Why I say that is, and you know, because you've seen it firsthand with Jyotiraditya Scindia, is to allow political leaders to completely walk away and cross over to the BJP. You've allowed that. You've allowed a Jyotiraditya Scindia. Himanta Biswa Sarma, many would say, is the making of the Congress. And their list doesn't quite end.
See, the point is...
well, first of all, how's the relationship with Jyotiraditya Scindia? Do you still talk?
As good as they were earlier also. The point I'm trying to make is...
Do you talk?
Of course we do when we meet.
Even after he's so vociferously criticizing your party, going after your leadership?
The personal relationship, I never sort of mix with politics. My personal relationship with the BJP leaders in Madhya Pradesh has been excellent.
When was the last time you spoke with Jyotiraditya Scindia?
When we met.
When did you meet?
I think when we met in Bhopal for a function.
Oh yeah, where he took you from the audience, he walked you to the stage.
Yep.
That was the time.
Yeah.
What did he say?
And we meet sometimes in Rajya Sabha also.
You do?
Yeah,
so it's always cordial.
Very cordial. Always.
Then why is it said that you were behind him leaving and...
Behind me?
Yeah, you were behind the
Never.
entire saga that played out in 2020 in Madhya Pradesh.
Never.
Where your government fell because of Digvijay Singh was the reason.
On the contrary, I have always felt that the government would have survived if our own leaders had sort of discussed their issues and sorted them out.
You were one of those leaders,
yes,
Digvijay Ji.
Yes, we tried. I tried my best, but let us not get into that.
Which leaders? So the problem was between Kamal Nath ji and
others also. It was a question of gaining each other's confidence. And minor issues were there, not major issues were there. But I think he also was very, I will say, he was very unhappy. And of course, naturally, when he lost the 2019 election, and he was in a deep depression. And therefore, I think things might have gone the other way. But the fact remains that it is wrong to...
Jyotiraditya Scindia, who stood from Guna at that point of time.
Yes.
Yeah, in 2019, and he had lost that election.
Yes, and lost to a very minor sort of a functionary of his...
You think that triggered?
Of course, yes. He was extremely... he never believed... We could never believe that he could lose from his own constituency, but it did. So, unfortunately, he took it very sensitively. And I think in politics, winning and losing is a part of life. But the fact remains, Mr. Jyotiraditya Scindia, I was the person who brought his father into Congress party during Sanjay Gandhi's time. And we almost mentored him when unfortunately we lost his father. And I've always had very fine relations with him.